Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's GIPCL Academy presents celebration of Rashtriya Poshan Mah. For that activity is Poshan Assembly on topic healthy and balanced diet, malnutrition and its impact on society. Students, what is health? Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. There are five main aspects of personal health. They are physical, emotional, social, intellectual, and spiritual. In order to be considered well, it is imperative for none of these areas to be neglected. So let's see each aspect. First is physical. Physical health is the well-being of the body and the proper functioning of the organism of individuals, which is a normal condition for individuals of both physical and mental condition who are not suffering from any type of sickness. For that physical aspects, you need healthy body, a healthy lifestyle, a healthy diet, regular exercise, and a proper sound sleep. Students, sleep is also a very important part of your life. Every day you have to take 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Physical exercise is really important to maintain good physical health. There are many benefits of regular exercise and maintaining fitness. So for that you have to every day take out some half an hour for your regular exercise, or just simple walking is also a good exercise because it increases energy level, improve muscle strength and brain function, and it reduces the risk of many diseases and helps to maintain a healthy weight.
Emotional. It is your ability to cope with both positive and negative emotions, which include your awareness of them. See, students, problems are there in everyone's life. You can't run away with that. You have to keep your attitude positive and give your best during that period. Discover your personal stress reliever. Manage your time wisely because it will help lower stress. You can develop any one hobby like sports, music, dance, etc., which helps to manage and lower your stress. So you can do that. Even you can talk with your peer, your parents, your teachers, your near and dear ones. Nowadays professional help is also available, so you can take help from that also. And students, smile even when you don't feel like that. Smile is the best medicine in any problematic situation. So this is the best way to keep yourself emotionally healthy. Social, the ability of a person to establish relationship with other person in the society is known as a social health. One should keep or engage oneself in various such activities and enjoy that activities. Nowadays, various clubs and organizations are there. There you can do something of your interest. Know who your best friends are. आप सबको पता है दोस्त हमारी जिंदगी में कितना महत्व रखते हैं, तो अपने बहुत सारे दोस्त बनाइए, उनके साथ आपके आइडियाज शेयर करिए, अपना इंटेलेक्चुअल टॉक रखिए उनके साथ एंजॉयमेंट वाली एक्टिविटीज करिए. Recognize when you are in unhealthy relationships. Say student, it is not necessary कि हमारा सबके साथ मन एक अच्छी तरह से चलता है. कई बार हमारा मन मुटाव हो जाता है, तो इट इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन दैट. अभी कहीं किसी के साथ आपके थॉट्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं, तो नो प्रॉब्लम, यू मूव अहेड इन योर लाइफ. दूसरे के साथ जहां आपके थॉट्स मिल रहे हैं, आपके विचार सेम है, उनके साथ हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप रखिए. खाली खाली कहीं कोई रिलेशन को खींचना नहीं है, जस्ट उसको एक पॉज दीजिए, आइडेंटिफाई करिए कहाँ प्रॉब्लम है, and then again you can be a good friend. Balance your social life with your academic responsibilities too. Intellectual, it refers to being open to new ideas and experiences and the desire to increase understanding, improve skills, and continually challenge yourself. One should keep himself updated. Nowadays, e-media is very helpful for that. So keep abreast of current affairs. Take your schoolwork seriously and spend time in the library. Nowadays, students are like that. They whatever they want to search or they need more reference, they directly go to the e-media. They never go to the physical library and study in the books. So students, it is good if you go to library and study from your books. Seek academic help if you need it. Students, whenever in your study part, if you have any problem, if you face understanding any chapter or anything, talk with your teacher. They will explain you again and again till you get properly understood that topic. Even study with your peer group, your friends. That is also a very good way to learn something. Your parents are always there to help you. So always seek academic help if you need. ऑल्सो बिकम अ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर. दोस्तों, कभी जिंदगी में रुकना नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे एक चीज आ गई अब खत्म, आगे पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है. हमें लाइफ में इन ईच एंड एवरी स्टेज वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू अवर लर्निंग. सो बिकम अ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर. Spiritual. Spirituality is the way you find meaning, hope, comfort and inner peace in your life. स्पिरिचुअलिटी का मतलब किसी धर्म जाति किसी से नहीं है. वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी मीन्स टू कनेक्ट विद इन यू. आपको खुद से कनेक्ट होना है. फाइंड अ क्वाइट प्लेस एंड स्पेंड क्वालिटी टाइम फॉर योर सेल्फ एवरी डे. दिन में 5-10 मिनट का टाइम खुद के लिए निकालिए. घर के कोई एक कोने में बैठिए, मेडिटेट करिए और अपने आप से कनेक्ट करिए, अपने आप से बात करिए. एंड दैट इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट इन दिस मॉडर्न हेक्टिक शेड्यूल. कंटेम्पलेट द मीनिंग ऑफ योर लाइफ. आपकी लाइफ का गोल क्या है, क्यों आप इस धरती पर हो. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू थिंक योर सेल्फ विद इन यू. स्पेंड टाइम appreciating the natural world around you. Balanced diet. A diet consisting of adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients recommended for healthy growth and for efficient daily activity and function. A balanced diet contains the proper quantity and proportion of the needed nutrients to maintain good health. For that, students, you see this food pyramid, and according to the portion size, according to your age, height and weight, and what proportion of each food group you have to include in your diet is very much important. So include all the food groups in your diet to keep yourself healthy. Healthy diet. A healthy diet is a diet that helps maintain or improve overall health. A healthy diet provides the body with essential nutrition, fluid, macronutrients, micronutrients and adequate food energy. Students, आजकल आपने सुना होगा deficiency of vitamin B12, sodium and potassium imbalance. All this is because of unhealthy diet pattern. आप बैलेंस्ड डाइट फूड ग्रुप्स आप बोलते हो कि आप सब कुछ इंक्लूड कर रहे हो, बट यू आर नॉट मेंटेनिंग द प्रपोर्शन, सो इट विल लीड टू अनहेल्दी डाइट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, follow balanced diet and in adequate proportion to make it healthy one. Importance of healthy diet. A healthy diet is essential for good health and nutrition. It protects you against many chronic non-communicable diseases such as heart disease, diabetes and cancer. So eating a varieties of foods and consuming less salt and sugar and saturated fat is very important. So students, if you don't eat balanced healthy diet, then malnutrition will occur. What is malnutrition? A condition caused by not getting enough calories or the right amount of key nutrients such as vitamins and minerals that are needed for health. Malnutrition may occur when there is a lack of nutrients in the diet or when the body cannot absorb nutrients from food. Students, you can easily find out the symptoms of malnutrition. Usually self-diagnosable like symptoms are fatigue, dizziness and weight loss. Untreated malnutrition can cause physical or mental disability. There are two types of malnutrition, undernutrition and overnutrition. What is undernutrition? This type of malnutrition results from not getting enough protein, calorie or micronutrient. It leads to low weight for height and height for age and weight for age. The terms like underweight, stunting growth, wasting of the body, etc. And overnutrition means overconsumption of certain nutrients such as proteins. Nowadays people are very health conscious. They go to gym and they used to take too much of protein shakes and everything, which is not advisable. You have to consult your doctor before taking protein shakes and everything. So proteins, calorie or fat can also lead to malnutrition. This usually result in overweight or obesity. People who are undernourished often have deficiencies in vitamins and minerals, especially iron, zinc, vitamin A and iodine. Students, you know what vitamin A deficiency disease, what are the iodine deficiency disease. You are now very much aware because of your syllabus content. However, micronutrient deficiency can also occur with overnutrition. It is possible to be overweight or obese from excessive calorie consumption but not enough vitamins and minerals at the same time. This is the best example of junk foods. You are eating too much of fried potatoes and your burgers and pizzas which are giving you too much of calories but they are empty vitamins and minerals. So overweight or obese is one of the problem. That's because food that contribute to overnutrition such as fried and sugary food tend to be high in calorie and fat but low in overnutrients. So avoid junk foods. Undernutrition typically results from not getting enough nutrients in your diet, and symptoms like weight loss, loss of fat and muscle mass, that is lean body, shrunken eyes, swollen stomach. You can see that your skin and hair become dry. डिले इन वुंड हीलिंग, कभी आपको कुछ लगता है देन जो आपका वुंड हीलिंग टाइम लेता है, जितने डेज लेता है वो बहुत लंबा हो जाता है. एंड इफ़ यू आर ईटिंग हेल्दी फूड तो आपका वुंड हीलिंग जल्दी होता है. एंड इवन फटिक मतलब थकान, है ना बच्चे, आप लोग थक जाते. क्यों जल्दी थक जाते हो? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट ईटिंग प्रॉपर फूड विथ वाइटामिन एंड मिनरल्स, तो आपको थकान लगती है. डिफिकल्ट इन कंसंट्रेशन, जब आपका क्लास होता है 40 मिनट्स का तो आप पूरा 40 मिनट्स कंसंट्रेट क्यों नहीं कर पाते? because your body is not that much capable. So if you eat properly, your body is very healthy, then आप अच्छी तरह से पूरा 40 मिनट्स का क्लास भी अटेंड कर सकते हो. इसीलिए हेल्दी फूड खाओ. इरिटेबिलिटी मतलब आपको चिड़चिड़ापन होता है, आपको लगता है कि आपका दोस्त परेशान करता है तो आप चिड़चिड़े होते हो. दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. आपकी बॉडी आपको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही, इसीलिए आप में चिड़चिड़ापन आता है. डिप्रेशन एंड एंजाइटी, all these the factor of undernutrition. Students, protein deficiency disease like Kwashiorkor and calorie deficiency disease like marasmus are also very much seen in children nowadays. Undernutrition also results in micronutrient deficiency. Some of the most common deficiency symptoms are vitamin A deficiency, zinc, iron, iodine. All these you know very much. So you have to eat your food properly. Another factor that is overnutrition. The main sign of overnutrition are overweight and obesity, but it can also lead to nutrient deficiency. Student, it is not that कि आपने बहुत खाया तो आपने हेल्दी फूड खाया. आप आजकल खाते हो ज़्यादातर जंक फूड्स, है ना, पिज़्ज़ाज एंड बर्गर्स. दे आर गिविंग यू एम्प्टी कैलोरीज, नॉट द विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. और आजकल आपका क्या है कि फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, फिजिकल गेम्स वो सब कम हो गया है एंड अपोजिट में जंक फूड ईटिंग ज़्यादा हो गया है. एंड दैट लीड्स टू ओवरवेट एंड ओबेसिटी, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो यू विल गेट मैनी हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड उसके साथ आपका ब्लड लेवल, शुगर लेवल वो सब इम्बैलेंस हो जाता है. वाइटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है. वेट के हिसाब से, आपका एज के हिसाब से वेट एंड हाइट जो रेशियो मेंटेन होना चाहिए वो नहीं होता है. सो ओवरवेट और ओबेसिटी वी कैन से इज generally due to results from overconsumption of fast and processed food that are high in calorie and fat but low in other nutrition. Effect of malnutrition on society. Every country in the world is affected by one or more forms of malnutrition. People who are poor are more likely to be affected by different form of malnutrition. Malnutrition can cause permanent widespread damage to a child's growth, development and well-being. Malnutrition keeps people from reaching their full potential. Malnourished children underperform in the school. स्टूडेंट्स, जब आप हेल्दी नहीं होंगे, आपकी बॉडी के सारे वाइटल पैरामीटर्स ठीक नहीं होंगे, तो आपको फटीक मतलब थकान लगेगी, इरिटेशन फील होगी, आप इतना प्रोडक्टिव काम नहीं कर पाओगे, पढ़ाई में कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाओगे। जब पढ़ाई में कंसंट्रेट नहीं करोगे तो आपका एजुकेशन अफेक्ट होगा और ऐसे ही आपको फ्यूचर में भी बहुत सारी परेशानियां होगी। इवन malnourished adults are less able to work. बड़े लोग भी जो malnourished होते हैं वो अपने काम पे ध्यान नहीं दे पाते। तो जब एक ह्यूमन बीइंग खुद malnourished है, हेल्दी नहीं है और उसके फैमिली मेंबर्स, उसके सराउंडिंग भी अगर हेल्दी नहीं है, तो हम अपनी कंट्री के लिए जो हमारा प्रोडक्टिव काम होना चाहिए वो भी हम नहीं कर पाएंगे। The cost of malnutrition is high, but investing in solution can improve nutritional outcomes. अगर हमको पता है कि हमको कौन कौन सी डेफिशिएंसी है, तो हमको थोड़ा अवेयरनेस रख के हमारे डाइट पे ध्यान रखना चाहिए और हमारा बॉडी एक हेल्दी स्टेटस पे हमको लाना चाहिए। So students, eat healthy, stay fit and contribute in the development of nation. So students, these are some golden rules for healthy life. Exercise. Even walking 30 minutes a day 3 times a week will improve your health. Eat healthy. Avoid fried food, soft drink, processed meat and sweets. Try to include 5 servings of fruits and vegetables in your diet every day. Don't skip meals, especially breakfast. स्टूडेंट्स को आदत होती है कि सुबह का नाश्ता नहीं करते, मम्मी दूध भी जबरदस्ती पिलाती है. That is not right practice. You have to take breakfast compulsory. Avoid heavy drinks and drugs. Don't use too much of medication. That is also not good for your health. Even too much of tea and coffee is also not good for health. Get at least 6 hours of sleep every day and keep yourself fit, healthy and happy. Students, this is the simple message. Good food, good health, good life. So enjoy your life. Thank you very much.